And here we have a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Came in with a Misfire indication. Scanning for service code. And we came up with the mass airflow and cylinder misfire on cylinder number 2. Upon doing that, we remove spark plugs from the vehicle. Spark plugs are carbon foul, indicating that the computer is allowing the vehicle to run rich because it's seeing a lean indication. We introduce the smoke machine, which is this component here, through the intake manifold. And what it does, it induces smoke into the system, which we should see coming out in just a second. Here we are. We induce the smoke into the system. Smoke was coming from the bottom of the intake manifold here, which, upon removal, you can see it's completely busted. Replace the intake manifold, install the spark plug. Now we're about to clear the service code and see if that took care of the problem. Let's go into the process of clearing all the service codes. And basically what it does is a full scan on all the modules. Shows here all the codes are clear. So now let's start it up and see how the vehicle runs. Vehicle runs perfect. New spark plug installed, new intake manifold, and gasket. Another vehicle running back to perfection. Turning Automotive. Thank you.